Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is the start of the Celestial Odyssey. Yes, Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey holiday palette from last year, 2021 is what it is. But yeah, I really want to try to create as many looks as I possibly can with this. Today I want to keep it simple and sultry, so I'm not too sure what I want to do. I want to do something, that's for sure. But let me go ahead and prep my eyes, and I think for this series I'm going to use the MAC Soft Orca, this one, just to really prep my eyes and everything like that. So let me go get my eyes ready, and we will be right back. Okie dokie, so the eyes are prepped with the paint pot and soft orca, whatever it is. Today I really don't know what kind of look I want to do, and it's been a very long time since I've used these as a eyeshadow primer. But I do want to go in with maybe Noir Moon, which is like the dark one, which is going to be this guy right here. I do want to go in with that one first. And that is literally like the main reason why I bought this palette, was because of the Noir Moon and this like lilac, this one right here, Lunar Haze, which is this guy right here, and also Heavenly Body, this one right here. Oh, where is it? This guy. Whew. But Noir Moon first, which is like the darkest, deepest, and I am just gonna go ahead and do this, because I really don't know how far out I want this to go. Perfect. So it is my goal with this palette to try to create a look for every day. Try to. But go in, build it up, really start to create that wing. And this is a different setup, but you can see all the makeup. That's my kit, stuff I have. Just trying to figure out the lighting in this new apartment, but just do that. And then going in with a fluffy brush and just go ahead and start to just blend that out. Perfect. Oh. Dip it into, actually, let me go do the other side and then we'll... All right, so here we are. Actually, just now realized I never took this thingy off. Ooh. Oh, that is a huge mirror. I love that, actually. But anyways, I'm gonna go in now next to Gold Galaxy, which is gonna be this one right here. Flat brush. And I am gonna go ahead and just begin to put that on top. Ooh, that is really beautiful, actually. Oh, the pigment. Oh. And just blend it into Noir Moon. Okay, now that is gorgeous. Gorge. Oh, that is really beautiful, actually. That black, that gold into the black. Now, with the fluffy brush, going back into Noir Moon, and just really begin to blend that over, to blend it into Lunar Galaxy? Gold Galaxy, just to really give that smoky effect. Oof. And actually this is basically the look. And I think for the brow bone I'm just going to use a highlighter and then just begin to outline again. And this gold noir moon actually has like, God, I don't even know what it is, blue and green type of little reflex in there, almost like a green, almost like a turquoise purple, which is really beautiful. And I actually do like the smaller pans of Pat McGrath eyeshadow palettes because her eyeshadows, just because it gives you a chance to actually start going through the palettes a lot more. So let me go and do the other side, and then we will. All right, so this is where we are at, but I'm gonna go into, what is it, Mothership 3. I'm gonna go into Blackout. Going in with the liner brush. Actually, you know what? Screw it. Going in with the fluffy brush. And just really begin to create that depth. Or just adding more of that deepness into the corner. Just so you have that beautiful depth. Ooh, 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 ooh. And then now going in with the liner brush just to really start to create right over the lash line. Perfect. And this is what her extreme black from her palettes. Yeah, and I love, 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 love how truly buildable this black is. I love blacks that are either heavily pigmented, is straight up black, like my soul, or buildable from a light black to like an extreme black, basically. Don't mind my nose, allergies. Yes, perfect, just like that. And I'm actually gonna add just a little bit on the right there, just to start that. Perfect. And I think with that gold, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and, but how gold is it? I think I might use Solar Flare, which is gonna be this one. Oh, actually, there we go. Just right on the brow bone with the finger. On both sides, obviously. Perfect. It's like a peachy, pinky, it's a light gold. But I'm also going to go ahead and dip my finger into the gold Galaxy. Yep, the one that's on the lid, with my finger, and just begin to just kind of put that right on top of the Solar Flare. And that really changes the color, which is beautiful actually. There we go. There we go. And that is the look. Oh, that is really beautiful. So let me go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then we will be, well, of course we'll be right back just to see the final look, and if I actually want to add any drama to the bottom. So let me go do the rest of my face, and we will see the final look. All right, so foundation is on. I just went ahead and took Urban Decay's, was it Oil Slick? No, Zero, and just put it on the waterline. And for the bottom, I am definitely going to go back into the Noir Moon and just begin to do more of the bottom. I'm just connecting it to the outer wing. And then right into the middle. Or up into, yeah, the corner. Perfect. And then going in with the smudger brush, which is somewhat right here. This one, and just begin to just smudge it out, smoke it out. And then going back into the Gold Galaxy. Gold Galaxy, yes. And I'm just gonna put that right back into the corner here and begin to just blend it. There we go. So let me go and do the rest of my face, blush, bronzer, and lip, and then we will see the final look in a few seconds, a few moments. All right, so here is the final look of everything. Whew. I just sprayed myself down with some Fix Plus, and the light is really coming in and it's starting to get hot. So, I mean, Gold Noir, Gold Galaxy with Noir Moon with a little bit of the solar flare and Extreme Black. Oh, and I actually used the solar flare, which is like this peachy. I mean, this is a shade that has been done a lot. But I actually use that as highlighter, and for blush, I went ahead and used the Venusian Sunrise on top of that. So this color, I mean, look at that combination. A little bit of warmth, a little bit of cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's just something fast, something easy, something for date night. Going to push everything in. And then I am still using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in 9 Cool. But with this look, I actually went ahead and used a little bit more of the Flawless Filter, number 4 medium. Mix those two together to get more of the overall glow. But I think for this series I am going to continue using these, and I'll probably do a tutorial on how I do this whole complexion, because it's also Pat McGrath, Yves Saint Laurent. As far as color corrector, I use more of the one from Guerlain, which is discontinued, Old School Urban Decay Naked Skin for concealer. Becca Lighting, as kind of like my brightening. These two under the foundation, over the foundation, and I just wiped off my foundation on my nose. But that is the final look. Getting a little bit closer. But yeah, these are actually just such a beautiful color combination. But as usual, disregard the hair, because I'm pretty sure if you guys see more tutorials of this, I'm gonna have a haircut. Anyways, as usual, go to my Instagram makeup page to see the final look when it's edited and stuff like that. Plus, many more looks to come. It is my goal to really try to do, what is the September, at least one look every day. That's gonna be a lot of looks. But I mean, we have 18 different types of look to create. We have some cools, we have some one and dones in here for sure. So we will see how many looks I could create using this palette. It is my goal to do one look every month for this month, but we shall see. Oh, and lip. Good old Divine Naked Rose lip gloss. Live it. Oh gosh, look at that. Boom. 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 She's saucy. Have a great day, guys.